In this video we're going to take a look at how to do change the page orientation in Word 2013. Page orientation is on the page layout tab here, and you've only got two options for it. Portrait is usually the default, and you can switch it to landscape if you want to. And just to see what it looks like here, we're going to zoom way down. And we have to, if we want to see multiple pages here, which I do, we have to go to our View tab and turn on multiple pages. And it just increased the zoom on me, so I'm going to zoom down again, and you can see that your entire document is in landscape. Now let's go back to page layout here, and let's go to orientation, and let's go to portrait, and now everything changes to portrait. Now there's one other thing that I want to take a look at. Let's go back to 100% here, or more. And that is the fact that page orientation is a section command, and if your document's just one section, then and you change the page orientation, then the entire thing will be changed. But it also allows you to do part of your document in landscape and part of your document in portrait. And the only way you can do that is if you divide your document up into sections. So we're gonna try it here. We're gonna divide our document up into 3 sections, and we do a next page section break, and then all of chapter 2 here is going to be one section, and then I'm going to go to chapter 3 here, and I'm going to insert another next page section break. So now I have 3 sections in my document, and if I go back here to home and turn this show hide button on like I usually do, you can see there's a section break there, and if I page up a few times, there's a section break here. So I've got section 1, section 2, and section 3. And everything is in portrait orientation right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go way down here to about 10% so I can see the entire document. And here you can see I did a next page section break, so there's going to be some blank space at the bottom of chapter 1, and again some blank space at the bottom of chapter 2. So even though I can't see the text, I can still figure out where my chapters are. And I'm just going to click any place here in chapter 2, and then I'm going to go to my page layout button, and I'm going to I'm going to change the orientation to landscape. And it looks like I've got 4 pages there in the middle of the document that are section 2. And if I do that, there it is. Everything in section 2 got changed to landscape, everything else remained the same. And that's because orientation is a section command. It applies to an entire section. This is really useful if you've got some pictures or tables or something like that that you want to insert into a document, and they're wider than they are tall, and you want to be able to display as much as possible on the page. You might want to turn some pages in your document sideways to landscape, and then you might want to go back when you're done with that to portrait orientation. And this is how you do it. You have to insert a section break before and after the stuff that you want to have a different orientation for.